4:47 time now for a look at our pinpoint weather and traffic together. Yesterday, all rain, no snow in these parts. Are we expecting anytime soon?
Potentially. I'm going to use that word potentially a lot over the next couple of days. We could potentially be seeing significant snow toward the end of the week and maybe some very strong winds. Let's take a look at what's going on right now, though. The live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. No snow, no rain out there, but all that rain that fell yesterday is beginning to freeze over in the areas north and west of Providence. So we've got some icy spots this morning, and what I'm tracking, we're looking at a frigid start to the new year and the potential for some late week snow and wind as well. Temperatures at the moment now up to 33 in Gloucester. It's been kind of going back and forth, 32, 33 degrees. But you get the picture. There's the potential for a little iciness up here in the northwestern part of the state. 36 in Providence, 38 degrees there in Fall River, 37 in Taunton. Live city cam picture. You can see pretty well here in the city cam. 36 degrees in the capital city with a wind from the west at around 6 miles an hour. Those winds bringing in some relatively dry air, and we're going to be seeing it bring in some relatively colder air later in the day. Gloucester at 33, Newport 37. Over in New Bedford, we've got 36 degrees with a wind from the west at 7. Wind chill factor right now at about 30 degrees. The satellite radar picture showing fairly quiet conditions. That storm system is way up there in the southeastern part of Canada, and we're looking at some gusty winds for today out ahead of this front. But once this front comes on through, the winds will likely pick up a little bit more as Arctic air begins to spill into southern New England, and we're looking at a cold stretch of weather, and that could potentially set the stage for a big snowstorm toward the end of the week, mainly on Thursday, but lingering into the daytime on Friday. We're looking at potentially heavy snow and also some strong winds as well here in southern New England. In fact, a good portion of New England will be impacted by this storm. It looks like we're going to be seeing snow. Just the track and how strong this storm will be, it will make all the difference in the world as to how much we get here in southern New England. All right, the temperatures for today. This is interesting. We're going to be topping out in the mid-30s, but notice what happens afternoon. The front comes on through, and temperatures by 5 o'clock already down into the mid-20s. Then overnight lows will be down into the teens, so we're looking at a much colder stretch of weather beginning this afternoon. All right, this morning's commute, watch out for those icy spots. Temperatures will be in the 30s, not climbing too far this morning, up to about 35, 36 degrees or so across the Providence metro area. And these are the temperatures at around noontime. The winds kick in from the northwest, bring down that colder air, and we're looking at probably about 29, 30 degrees or so across the Providence metro area by around 4 or 5 o'clock. 36 in Charlestown, Wickford 36 early afternoon with a blend of sunshine and a few clouds. 34 in Woonsocket, 34 Scituate, but probably in the 20s come dark over in southeastern Mass. Temperatures in the mid-30s, probably around 30 degrees by sunset this evening, which is at about 22 minutes past 4 o'clock. Here's that live Pinpoint Doppler 12 7-day Futurecast, looking at some cold weather really for the entire week. Now on Tuesday, about 29 degrees in the afternoon, but around midnight, around 20. And there's that snow for Thursday and Friday. Temperatures will be up to around 30 on Thursday, but look at Friday, only about 18 degrees. Look at Saturday morning, 3 degrees. That could be conservative. It could potentially be below zero first thing Saturday morning in Providence. Sunshine will warm us up, I guess, to around 20 degrees Saturday afternoon. You can always get your updated Futurecast by going to our website. That's at WPRI.com. Now it's time to get another look at our morning commute.